Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to delete a comment that you've posted on Instagram. I'll show you first how to do this if it's a comment that you made on someone else's post, and then we'll look at how to manage comments on one of your own posts. Deleting single comments on yours or someone else's post is exactly the same. Head to the post and then tap the comments underneath to get to the comment screen. Find your comment that you want to delete and then swipe left on it. You'll then see the reply and trash icons. Tap the trash icon to delete your comment. If you made a mistake and want to undo that delete, you do have a chance by tapping the undo at the top of the screen right here. If you're on one of your own posts, you have a couple more options though. I'll head over to one that has a few more comments from other users. Back on the comment screen, tap the three-dot menu icon on the top right. Next, tap Manage Comments. Now you can put a check next to the comments that you want to manage, and at the bottom you can choose to delete, restrict, or block. And that's how you delete comments inside of Instagram. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.